Hello gang, how you going? Sky Pilot here with the Eachine Twig 155. Do a little bit of line of sight flight here with this little baby, and then check out some FPV footage which I'll record through either my RD200 or my trusty Cyclops box gogs. Okay, let's crack on. If you want to have a look at an unboxing and some specs of this little ripper here, courtesy Banggood, of course. Have a look at the link in the description there, guys, and check it out. This is a real decent little flyer. I've had a couple of flights already, so I'm going to check out the FPV. Alrighty, let's crack on. Okay, bog stock standard PID tune here, guys, so let's do a line of flight and see how she fares. A little bit of wind here, not too bad. So we'll put this RD200 just away from the transmitter, as it does cause a little bit of interference, I've found. So we'll stick the antenna up, get the recorder going, place them down there, and line of sight. That's Twig 155. This thing's a fairly quiet flyer, guys. If you have a listen of it here, oh, come here, where are you going? Alright. Really smooth, nice deep tone to it. Sounds pretty cool. Alright, let's go for the punch up. Yep, that's pretty decent. Go away fly. Stinking flies. Okay, for good measure, we'll just whack out another punch up. Starting to get a bit blowy here, it's a bit of a nuisance. It's nice and fine not too long ago. Alright, another punch up here. Yeah, that's pretty decent. As you can see, guys, it sounds good and it looks pretty good too. And of course I do have air mode on as well, so let's have a bit of a left and right hook here, bit of a yaw over here, and a yaw back over here. And as you can hear, it's pretty smooth. Yeah, nice little flyer. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay. Let's crack on and FPV it. Okay guys, let's get the Twig in the sky. I will try and fly, yeah, away from the trees. As I said, it's a bit windy here. I'm just going to do a quick scoot around just so you guys can have a look at the picture here. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. As I said, I am in air mode, so I'm hoping I don't lose it.
RF signal low.
There are a few trees around here. Yeah, it's a bit dodgy flying a new whoop around some trees, flying a new Twig around for some trees. However, I shall try and keep it above the trees. And we'll just do a couple of circles and just checking out the picture. A little bit of a battery warning there. Yeah, the picture on the Runcam looks pretty decent, I must say, so I'm pretty happy with that. There I am, just there. And up we go. Smooth fly, guys. This thing's really smooth. Really impressed. And oh, we've just hit a tree. Oh, that's the trouble with flying near trees. So if you haven't got your beeper set, guys, yeah, get your beeper set. Otherwise you're going to lose it forever. Have a look at the tall grass I'm working with here. Anyway, yeah, we found it anyway. Thank goodness for that beeper. Alright, quick flight around, guys, and let's get cracking. So as I said, I haven't played around with the PID shooting in this. I probably should have a little bit of a go at it, but I have found it to be pretty cool. It's nice and smooth. Even though I just crashed into a tree, that was my silly fault, so I'll just do a nice little slow flyby of myself there. Hello self. Yeah, look, I'm only I'm not in acro mode here, guys. I'm just in plain Jane mode, sorry. As the venue I was going to use to film this is otherwise being used, so I've had to come down here where there's no people, as I don't want to scare anybody. And the trouble with coming down here is there's lots of trees. So, however, oh, please don't hit any trees. I think we'll just go above the trees here and call it quits, I think, before something terrible does happen. Awesome, guys.
RF signal low.
So I'm going to land it over there just by my trunk, nice and safely. So there you have it, guys, the Twig 115. How many times has this beeper saved me today? It's good stuff, gang. The Twig 115. Neat little flyer. Just don't fly it around trees or along grass and you will have a ball, I guarantee it. Thanks for dropping in. Comment, thumbs, all welcome. See you in the sky for another fly. Sky Pilot, catch you later. Hard work.